This one's from my friend Unbiased. This is where this bird posts that every day. Pretty much, it's raining outside, by the way, y'all. But he sits up there on that pole. And he starts right about 6:30 in the morning. And rain or shine, he goes crazy. All this traffic, sorry. But he's right right there. And here it is, mid-afternoon. He does not give up. The mockingbird never gives up. I mean, it's like one of them old school car alarms that do the dee-doo-dee-doo, birdie, birdie, wheel, 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 wheel. Like, he does all kinds of weird. Then he jumps up, comes back down. I think he was put on this planet to just annoy the hell out of me, because it's as beautiful as it is. When it's all day long and every day, that's why they came up with that book called To Kill a Mockingbird. I would never do that. There's no end. That's a blue jay. The mockingbird just mocked him. That just happened in real time. The mockingbird mocked the blue jay. The blue jay's over there in that tree. Yeah, he's saying I'm weak. But yeah, hey, Unbiased. If you think it's beautiful, that's cool. But it's a bit overpowering. He's right there. Sorry, let me. Right there. Over there. Oh no. Ugh. in that area. Oh, I missed. How does he do that? I mean, that's an amazing skill set to have. He literally mocked that blue jay as soon as I turned the camera on, but that was not planned. I mean, he's telling me I suck. That's basically what he's saying. You don't want to mock me, man? I can't whistle like that. I'm not loud enough.